Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting redstone dust, a daylight sensor, a redstone torch, sticky piston, a lamp block, and basic building blocks. Place the daylight sensor on a clear surface facing the sky so it reads sunlight reliably. Next, lay a short redstone line from the sensor toward where your lamp will be. Once done, add a redstone torch nearby to prepare for signal inversion. This lets you switch behavior from day to night. Make sure components are within 15 blocks for consistent power. Now you construct the logic that turns on at night. Invert the daylight sensor by powering a redstone torch from its output so the torch lights when the sensor outputs low light. Route that inverted signal to your lamp or to a sticky piston that exposes the lamp. Use redstone dust and repeaters to bridge gaps and tweak timing. Once done, simulate night by covering the sensor. Observe the lamp. If it flickers, make sure repeaters add slight delay, and wire length stays under 15 blocks for reliable. To finish, tidy wiring and encase the circuit so mobs or rain won't break connections and the sensor stays exposed. Connect the final redstone line to the lamp and test across several day-night cycles to confirm consistent behavior. If it fails to activate at night, check the daylight sensor's mode, ensure the inversion torch is placed correctly, and verify there are no breaks in redstone dust. For longer distances, add repeaters. For sensitivity tweaks, use a comparator to fine-tune activation thresholds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.